Welcome once again to WeShopAfrica tutorial. Okay, in this tutorial we want to show you how to log into your seller dashboard. So let's get started. So it's 6 p.m. so I want to operate in dark mode, and I switch on dark mode on this button. Okay, so first of all you log in into your account. So for the sake of this tutorial we are using a demo account, so let's put in our email address in which we registered our account with, or you can use your phone number to log in. So our email account is then you put in your password, then you click on continue. Okay, so you've logged in into your account, but to access your seller dashboard you need to go to my account again, and you will realize that there's a new button which is saying seller dashboard. So you click on seller dashboard. So once you click on seller dashboard, now your seller account is open onto you. So to upload your product you need to go to vendors, then add product. Thank you for this tutorial.